from just a few minutes ago. Judge Kasim Sardiwala has ruled that Norma Mngoma's arrest was unlawful. The estranged wife of former Minister Malusi Gigaba was arrested last year on charges of criminal injuria and malicious damage to property. Let's get some more now on the ruling. We'll chat to our reporter Slindelo Masekane. She's been following the story from the start. Slee, good morning. Now, we know Norma Mngoma's arrest declared unlawful. Just take us through what happened in court just a short while ago.
Well, we've just got the judgment from Mr. Judge Kasim Sardiwala, and of course he spent a lot of time going through the arguments which were brought forward by Norma's lawyers last year in September, when they did bring this urgent application, stating that the involvement of the Hawks, as well as how the arrest was instituted on Norma Mngoma, was unconstitutional, unlawful, and must be set aside. Now, during his ruling this morning, I just want to read from the papers, Yuveka, where he stated that he is satisfied that the evidence before him demonstrates that the fourth and fifth respondents acted with malice, in that their actions appear to have been motivated by an abuse of power by a former minister and a member of the executive. Let's just take a listen to some of that judgment earlier today.
Application is granted on an urgent basis. The decision of the fourth and fifth respondents to apply for the warrant of arrest of the applicant is unlawful. The decision to execute a warrant of arrest by the fourth, fifth respondents is unlawful. The respondents are ordered to restore all information unlawfully removed from the applicant. The third, fourth, fifth respondents are directed to return the information which was downloaded from the electronic gadgets and the gadgets of the applicant by the respondents, including the information contained in discs 1 to 6, referred to herewith. The costs of this application will be borne by the third, fourth, and fifth respondents on an attorney and client scale. The full judgment is therefore handed down.
All right, so Slee, for the bigger picture now, what does this judgment actually mean? What does this mean for this troubled, estranged couple? There's been so much happening around them, so what now?
Well, now that this order has been granted, Yuveka, you would have heard just at the end of that soundbite where the judge actually ordered punitive costs, meaning that the he found the conduct of the police as well as the Hawks to be reprehensible, that he granted that punitive costs order. And we know that this judgment is going to have some sort of implications in terms of her criminal case that she's due back in the Magistrates Court for tomorrow. Now, I am told by a source within the legal team that they will be studying this judgment, Yuveka, and that they will be giving a response in terms of what the way forward is going to be tomorrow at Norma Mngoma's appearance at the Pretoria Magistrates Court, and they will be outlining exactly what the way forward is going to be, and we will be seeing exactly what this particular matter is going to do in terms of her criminal charges, which is criminal injury as well as malicious damage to property.
All right, Slindelo Masekane, thanks so much. We'll leave that there for now.